second? Didn't McDodgen play?
Their second game already, yeah.
Who did they play?
Round 6.
Oh.
I don't think they played.
I don't think they played yet.
Oh, the big ball.
Oh, talent? I'm trying to figure out who else is here.
Yeah, we played them. Yeah, but after us though. Did they play again?
But, yeah, they played. They haven't played the back game. No, they played. Yeah, that'd be their third game.
Yeah, that's why I'm like wondering if they played yet.
Oh, not the third game. I think they're after this.
After this? Okay. Oh no, we're C. Oh, you can pick it up though. Come on.